back to my channel. If you guys don't know me already, then my name is Leeza. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay tuned for the videos. In today's video, basically I'll be attending a ucas event that's gonna be in the O2. Me and my friends are going, and we already told my school that we're going. Yeah, we missed a day of school, but we still have to catch up on work that we missed at school. Just finished getting ready. I'm wearing this top from Primark. I'm wearing jeans and then Jordans, then this jacket. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope I actually find this event useful, because apparently it's supposed to help you with like when you're applying to uni, personal statement, making sure like the subject you want to do for uni, if it's the right one. I'm gonna be meeting my friends, so we're gonna go together. It starts at 10:30 because we booked it for 10:30, and it's like basically 9 right now. Hey guys, she looks cute. Waiting for the bus to go to the train station. Yeah, I'm vlogging, guys. Stop, man. Why are you like? I'm in French shirt. Like.
Anyways, we're at Barking Station right now. Fiona, if you're watching this, you're a monkey. Hi!
We're in Barking. Isn't it pretty?
Like, look at the views.
It's so pretty. Guys, we're lying. Barking is the most ghetto place. It's so ghetto, guys.
But like, guys, I'm taking over. That's the Costa. Like, McDonald's is down there. This is the station. Okay. This is the market, you know what I mean? This is like the bus. Yo, where are you? That's the KFC. The shopping centre.
That's shopping mall. We're going to meet Fiona. She said that she just got off the bus.
Hi guys.
Say hey. This is Fiona's fit. Nice. This is just me, but I didn't know you could like wirelessly tap your card to pay over there. Okay, do you want to say hi to my YouTube channel? We're going to get the C2C to get off at Limehouse. Just got off the train.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Marcalia and Jade. Marcalia! It's all.
We're packed, like.
Can you stop?
It's literally packed, like there's bare people here. Scary. Guys, there's too many black people here. I haven't seen this many black people in time still.
Wait, Jade, when will you be here?
Yeah, hi everyone. She looks so cute. Like, babe, like, tell them when you got your stuff from.
This jumper is from Primark. This shirt, I don't know. This is Select. This is Ego, and my socks are from Primark.
Okay, no one really asked for your socks. Guys, she's joining the gang and getting glasses.
It's not a good thing.
We don't know where we're going.
I think that's where we go.
Guys, they gave us like, these books. I don't even know what's in it, but they gave us this, and we're just waiting now.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome to the vlog. We're in the area. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a lot of people outside. Here's Ashmi. They have TikTok. I didn't come to play. Are you like, look at my don't play with me.
What about you guys? What are you interested in?
Law, computer science.
Computer science.
Hi guys.
This is Nana, guys. We left because we're tired. Our feet are hurting. We're just tired.
Now we're gonna go find someone to eat.
Look at how many bags this girl has.
You know what, yeah? I'm a businesswoman. I came here for business.
She's thinking of climbing. Where's the stairs?
It's there. It's like here. Guys, man. Don't worry about it.
She's too scared, yeah, to climb up this year. So we can go up there. We're going up the stairs. I'm actually not scared of heights. Like, I love heights. We made it up. Oh, so this is where people go to take pictures. Sorry. This is the O2, guys.
She's praying. I forgot what the place is called, but we're going to a Caribbean restaurant. Okay guys, hello, I'm back. I got food and it's from that restaurant, Rhythm Kitchen, and I got chips, jerk chicken.
So guys, I got 5 guys. The guy gave me a free drink, Sprite, cherry.
Mine is like,
And I got burger and chips. That's the burger. The chips are in here.
wow, so nice.
I didn't even pray. You always have to pray, guys, before you eat food.
Hey guys, I got this. So honey, barbecue chicken, steamed rice, saucy cucumber, and I don't know what this sauce is. Fiona got noodles. Also, you got some fruit punch.
And we finished eating.
Hi guys, what do I want to say? Like, look, chase your dreams, do you and be you. Yeah man, good day, we've eaten well.
I want the blue Ferrari.
We don't even film these things, what are you doing? So sad.
Go do like a bad
Get rid of the
99%. That's written about the bed. Doing blow dry spreads more germs, therefore. Yeah. Then when you're done,
Hey, you get the cream. And you cream it from
Leeza.
Oh my god, that scared me. We're on the train. So we're on the Jubilee line, yeah. Do you think it was helpful, the ucas thing?
that's like the for free stuff.
I'm tired. Why are people staring at me? I reconnected with Patricia. I don't even know where she went, but she came back. So these are the things that I got from the ucas event. And once again, I forgot to record an outro. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And turn on the post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye guys.